Good morning, grade 5. How are you all today? Today we'll be doing the revision of temperate zones. Okay, we'll be doing the revision of temperate zones, and temperate zones is a part of your chapter number 8 of your textbook. So let us start off with what temperate zones are. Okay, where are they located? Okay, so what all were the 5 parameters on which we talked about, on which we are supposed to do learning? Location, climate, plant life, wildlife or animal life, and human life. Those are the 5 pointers on which we are supposed to learn our topics. So let us first start what temperate zone, where are temperate zones located? The regions that lie between Arctic Circle, that is 66.5 degrees north, and Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degrees north. This region is known as temperate zone, and likewise 66.5 degrees south till 23.5 degrees south, that is Tropic of Cancer. This zone is known as again South Temperate Zone. Now, winters in these regions are very cold and summers are very hot. A moderate rainfall of about 50 to 70 centimeters occurs mostly in summers. There is occasional rainfall in winters also. The climate is not suitable for the growth of trees. Grasses grow quickly during the spring season and change to hay to autumn. Okay, grasslands. Now let's talk about this region famous for grasslands. I keep on telling you, and I ask you to keep on googling about it. Most grasslands are located in the temperate zones. A grassland is a grassy, windy, partly dry biome, a sea of grass. It is like it's a sea of grass. You will see everywhere you'll see grass. Almost 1/4 of the Earth's land area is grassland. In many areas, grasslands separate forest areas from deserts. Deep-rooted grasses dominate the flora in grasslands. There are a few trees and shrubs in grasslands, except along the rivers. This area is almost treeless. So only along the rivers they'll have trees. Otherwise, it will be treeless area. Now, grasslands are known as with different names in different countries. So, in North America, they are known as prairies. We know about it. South America, they are known as pampas. Eurasia, they are known as steppes. Australia, they are known as downs. South Africa, they are known as velds. Now, what is the plant life out there? The trees that are found here are planted by farmers. These grasslands vary in size from country to country. In the prairie region of North America, since there is no more rainfall, there is very rainfall, grasses are tall. In steppes, because of continental type of climate, grasses are short. Now, the grasses keep changing color according to the season. In summer, the foliage is thick, while in autumn it is dry. That is what happens, and we know the cycle of seasons. And in winters, the grasses dry up. The roots remain buried in the snow, growing again in the spring. Now we talked about animal life. Okay, most animals live on the grasslands. Different grasslands of the world support different kind of animals. Some of the large animals found in northern hemisphere are cowherd, bison, grizzly bear. Some fierce animals such as bulls are also found here. In southern hemisphere, reptiles like anaconda are found. Now these are different animals found in different places. So this is of Australia, that is kangaroo and dingo, and this is of Africa. I know you have learned most of these, and because it's so interesting, most of you have learned about it. See now, North America, see these animals, bison, black-footed forest. South America, let's see, fox and tapir. Okay, in Eurasia, snow leopard and woolly. Okay, now let's talk about the vegetation. The soil in temperate zones is dark and fertile. In the prairies of North America, crops such as wheat, barley, rye, flax, oats are grown. This area is known for the granary of the world. So you must learn this phrase, which is the granary of the world. Okay, in these grasslands, special grasses such as alfalfa and cover are grown as fodder for animals. Let's talk about human life. Obviously, because of grasslands, because of so much crops, there will be farmers also. The farmers who live in these grasslands are very well off. They are very rich. They have huge farms. They own most efficient machines and all. Only a few workers are required because everything is done by the machines. Okay. I want you to know what is a homestead. So a homestead is a farmhouse where the farmer lives with his family. What are the industries in this area? The industries in this area are, many minerals are found. Lignite, the most inferior quality of coal, is found, and mineral oil are mined in large quantities in this area. Ore extracting factories, oil refineries have been developed in this area. Today, grasslands face a lot of issues, okay? So you need to learn these issues also. Natural disturbances, human disturbances. Overgrazing is when the cattle eat a lot of, keep on eating the grass, so it is overgrazing. It leaves the land to be barren. Urban development, okay, invasive plants, forest encroachments. So these are the problems that the grasslands face. I want you to do a little research on these temperate zones that I have already asked you. Just compile your research. For those who have not done, please read about it, please see about it, please Google about it. It's a very, very, very interesting topic. Happy learning. Take care.